Is she short?
Yeah.
Oh, then it's the same.
She teaches also maths, so I know. She left because I don't know, for some reason, but yeah.
Yeah, then it can be.
I'm still not sure if it is the same.
Haram, Rashmi ma'am also came from convent. Neha ma'am also came from convent.
No.
All right, guys.
Look
Give the
at me.
answer. First
No,
question of distributive property. All right, enough kids, enough. Let's
So we
focus on
cannot
the.
see our screen. So Satpal stole all the things.
I will reshare, but I reshared it long back.
Now, Manav Rachna is stealing Satpal's.
Too many robberies and crimes.
Guys, send to Ragini ma'am.
Haram. So, can you please tell Ragini ma'am to switch on her camera or say something at least?
Jerry said she's very strict.
Yes.
I asked ma'am last time. She said that I'll do it after some time.
But she never did that.
How did you get to talk with ma'am?
I messaged her.
That's still unfair.
How is that unfair? You can do that.
Wow.
Have a brain.
Oh no,
Can we use a notebook? This sounds different. It's really easy. I didn't notice the second part.
Same guy, you have to send to
forgot how
Ragini ma'am.
Yeah, sir. I realized I accidentally sent it to you and then I sent it to Ragini ma'am. Yeah, I got double ticks.
Ma'am, Navu and Zapman will be absent today. UI to Ragini ma'am.
Oh,
Sir, I forgot how to do it. Sir, I've given it to Ragini ma'am only. Sir, I don't remember how to
You
do
have
it.
sent to me.
Sir, I must have by mistake. Sir, I don't remember how to do it.
Okay, Chatty. You get
why
this.
don't you check?
Chip and Ruhan and Chip, Ruhan and Miss D and Adya and Mr. Bambi is still not here. So, okay, guys, see. First of all, Chatty, unmute. Start your camera. Wait, Chatty. Start. Unmute.
So this is the easiest question.
Yes.
So, how many terms are there in this? How many terms are there?
3.
So, term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. What can you take common from all of these?
530.
530. Cut from here, cut from here, cut from here. What will you be left with here? 103. What will you be left with here? 8 plus 8. What will you be left with here? Minus 11.
Minus 11.
So this will be 530 multiplied by 100. Chatty, now you remember Chatty, Diya.
So what happens to the 8 and 11?
103 plus 8 is 111. 111 minus 11 is 100. Very nice question, Diya. That's the question of the day. Very good, very good.
So very
So
less
Chip,
what happened. So
Chip,
that
Rohan, Chatty, Adya, Diya, Mahuri, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
that
So,
is
ma'am,
so many windows opened.
so ma'am, Zepman's name and Nabu Klavu's name at the end because they are absent.
Sir, I by mistake sent 2 wrong answers, but I deleted them and sent the right one.
That's unfair again.
So can
Before
I give
ma'am
you
will
a
check it.
start question, guys? Can I give you a
Yes,
start
sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
No.
instead of those, you can start.
Hard.
Excuse me, sir.
No, what's the
Yes.
point of charts?
Sir, instead of kiddos, you can do stars. Sir, every day, each kid who will join on time will get a star, and then you will give star questions also.
Beta, in higher grades, it's not possible because we have to, cover a lot of syllabus.
So, we want kiddos.
It's really easy. Why did you give such an easy question?
Oh, wait, you finished the question.
So after doing, I will check who made it to 100 in the last class, Mr. Blah. So,
I made
Mr.
it.
Blah, you have a choice of Pindalu and mouth organ.
What?
You have a choice of Pindalu and mouth organ as your 100 kids gift.
Oh, what is that? Sir, what is that seriously?
I will show you the video very soon.
Pindalu.
So which is the second favorite subject?
Science.
Second. First is maths.
I'm supposing science of physics.
So only 3-star candidates.
Sir, I'm almost done. I'm just.
Sir, just 1 minute, please. 1 minute.
Why do
So
they
don't guys don't.
always?
You have to solve using distributive property. You don't have to multiply and give the answer.
It is so easy.
Chalo guys, let me now
Sir,
explain.
I'm just typing.
Why are you taking so long? Let me just take a second.
Stop it.
I know. Oh.
Just put
So there are 3 terms. Term number 1, term number 2, and term number 3.
I didn't understand what to do with the term number
just
3.
put a zero.
So term number 3, you can put it as multiplied by 1 because any number can be multiplied by 1. We get the same result. So then we do the plain taking common thing. 987, I will take common. I'm left with 6 here plus 3 here plus 1 here. So 987 multiplied by 10, which is 9870. So easy or tough, guys?
Really easy. Just put a
Really
zero.
easy.
But nothing near to that.
Yes. Sir, when did you put a 1?
Beta, you can always multiply a number with 1, na? Chippy multiplied by 1 is the same number.
Oh.
Oh, so that is the top floor that you have to use. God has blessed us with a top floor. We have to use it. Unlike Hitansh, who comes late.
So you just roasted. Yes, sir. So bad.
Not so badly. Medium. But he's gonna get roasted even.
Yep, that's true.
So
I seen sir roast someone
I
for the
get,
first
I
time.
am, assuming you guys want more, right? I'm assuming you guys want more.
Sir, you should roast all the boys and no girls because girls are so. Sir, girls are very innocent and boys are very bad. Yes, sir, true. I think you said the other way around because you're lost in your mind.
Support Hitansh.
We're not. Trans just joined.
I think I support Hitansh with this one.
So now Hitansh is very angry.
Well, they're just a bunch of actors who don't even know the basics of acting.
More like that. What is the terms are bigger?
Sir, how is any number saved? Sir, I think I know how to solve this. Sir, even I know. I think. Sir, accidentally send you the answer.
Yeah.
If you have sent me, I will check it for you.
Oh.
Not.
So the same question, same type of question we did in the last class.
Sir, I made a typing mistake.
Sir,
Sort
yes,
of.
I remember. Sir, can I please use the washroom?
Acha, but Mr. Bambi, you left early. Beta, should I send the last class recording? Will you go through
Yes.
it?
Yes, sir.
I think last 10 minutes में कराया था. I will send you.
So can I please quickly go and use the washroom?
You want to wash the room? Yes, you can go.
Sir, I said, can I use the washroom? You want to use the washroom cleaner?
So the guy, Rohan, Chippy, the guy,
Sir, send
Adya.
me.
I
Send me.
forgot. Like they are. I'm not able to understand.
Beta, see, there are two terms. Term 1, term 2. Here I got 570. Here I will get 570 if I multiply 57 into 10. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So now I have got two terms. I can take common. 570. I am left with 119. I am left with 19. So 570 times 100 is 57,000.
Sir, I just missed one.
Do you get it?
Yes.
Adya, Guy, Chippy, Rohan.
Sir, I just got the answer while you were explaining. Like I was
Okay.
currently solving it and then you gave the answer, but I got it just a
I'm really sorry
millisecond.
for that.
I got it millisecond before you
My
said.
apologies. My apologies. So we will continue with the properties that we were doing. So I will ask one by one. I will start with Chatty. What is the multiplicative identity, Chatty?
Sir, what is a multiplicative identity?
Very good, Chatty.
Sir, is it one?
Who said it is one?
Sir, me.
No, I think Parizida said it is one.
Sir, I said it's one.
It's one is correct.
Yay.
Because any number we multiply with one, we get the same number. So then the second property was additive identity. So the question goes to Ruhan Arora.
That's
What
not
is
the name.
additive identity?
Sir, additive identity is when you can switch the numbers around and
No, beta, no, please. Adya, what is additive identity? No, beta, no. Miss D, what is additive identity?
I don't know.
To answer. UV Scooty, what is additive identity?
When you add the number with zero.
So zero is additive identity because when we add to it, like multiplicative identity, when we multiply with one, we get the same answer. Additive identity, we add zero, we get the same answer. So next property, what is closure property? Who remembers? Raise your hands.
Closure
No one
property.
remembers. Very good, very good.
Closure property.
Sir, can you
Very
help
good.
me? Sir, we
I
have
can
to-
have you. I can have you. So what is closure property?
Sir, when you close the statement.
Very
it's a
good,
property.
very good, very good. कितने अच्छे बच्चे हैं, सब कुछ याद है. How sweet, how sweet.
दिखाओगे
So
मुझे याद
closure
आ जाएगा.
property is when we add two whole numbers. जैसे 5 और 15 add किया, I get a whole number. You can add 15 and 25 also. You can add 3 and 12 also. So see, when you add two whole numbers, we get a whole number. So is closure property applicable for multiplication of whole numbers? Yes or no, Mr. Blah?
Sir, yes.
Yes, because when you multiply 5 times 8, you get 40, which is also a whole number. Is it applicable for division of whole numbers?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, because
Okay.
8 divided by 5
7
is
divided by 3.
8 by 5 is not a whole number, is not a whole number.
3 divided by 2.
Is it applicable for subtraction of whole numbers?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No. Now then, what is commutative property?
Property were you talking about before this? I had left because I was not able to unmute.
No, beta, we just revised the properties. First of all, let me write it down.
Sir, can
और
I tell
बच्चों आप
commutative
आप भी
property?
लिखियो please. आप भी एक बार, if you want, you can write in short. Long notes I will give. So additive identity.
Even if the order of factors is changed, the product remains the same.
Beta, I am coming to it. It is 0. Multiplicative identity. It
The
is
identity can be write
1.
ID.
Closure property. So addition, multiplication of whole numbers is closed. Are closed for whole numbers. Then we have the commutative property. Who wants to tell this?
Sir, me.
Yes, Rohan has been speaking since long. Yes, speak.
Sir, even if the order of fractions is changed, the product
Not
remains-
fractions, beta. Not fraction, whole numbers.
Factors.
Factors. So add, multiply whole numbers in any order, the result does not change.
Okay.
So now what is associative?
Sir, me.
Yes.
Sir, so it is if 3 or more numbers are multiplied together. Yeah.
3 or more whole numbers. I am writing in very short. Whole numbers. And
Closure property.
order, the result does not change.
Sir,
So
I
associative is
closure
with 3 or
property.
yes.
Sir, what do you mean by addition multiplication are closed for whole numbers?
But we write like this, closed for beans. When you add two whole numbers, you get a whole number. You add, multiply two whole numbers, you get a whole number.
I didn't understand.
That's a bit silly.
I just made you understand 5 plus 3, you get 8.
Yes.
8 is also a whole number. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. 12 is also a whole number. But this property is not valid for subtraction and division.
There is like another thing, whole numbers and
Whole numbers are there, natural numbers are there, integers are there.
was writing.
what's the point of whole numbers and natural numbers? There's only a
Sir,
difference
I was writing.
that there is a 0 in one and there's no 0 in the other.
Yes, beta, but I have not made them and 0 has a very big significant value. So take a screenshot, guys.
I've taken.
I was writing. Screenshots don't work. I don't know why.
Can I stop share?
No.
Okay, sir.
Acha, write fast, quickly. I'm giving 1 minute. Let me know if you are done before that.
It will take quite a lot of time.
No, hurry up, hurry up.
Sir, isn't associative property the same as commutative property?
Commutative is for 2, associative is for 3 or more. That is the only difference.
It's not specified in commutative, which is why.
So let me specify in commutative. So add, multiply two whole numbers, guys. Add a 2 also here.
So should we re-screenshot?
screenshots.
Misty.
Actually, I only clicked 2 screens.
Yes, she was enjoying troubling you, Scooty. So,
The-
all right, now time is up.
No!
Priya, please send the screenshot now.
I
Where?
can write
Even I
associated.
have taken a screenshot.
So, we all know distributive property. We just did questions of distributive property, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, property of division. I will quickly tell you when a number is divided by 1, we get the same number. When 0 is divided by a number, we get 0. But when a number is divided by 0, then we get undefined. याद है सबको?
Yes.
So not exactly.
Like
Is it
5 divided by 0.
is it undefined or 0?
No, beta, 5. Listen to me. Let me write it properly. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 5 divided by 0, undefined.
Huh.
It can't reach it, right? 0 का 0 ही होता है.
Yeah, divide by 0, undefined.
This is even more confusing.
Yeah, that's true.
So let me erase. Diya is always confusing. So let me
Sir,
erase.
use by long division.
So whenever 0 comes in the denominator, it is undefined. Whenever 0 is up, it makes everything 0.
But then, sir,
Alas.
5 will become a whole number.
What beta?
Then if it's 5 by 0, then we'll make 5 a whole number.
Sir, can you give a break?
Wait beta. दिया मुझे आपकी बात समझ में नहीं आई. 5 divided by 0. 5 is a whole number, 0 is also a whole number, but the result किसी भी number को आप 0 से divide करो, you get undefined.
If we do 5 divided by 0, so won't this make 5 a whole number?
Yeah, so I
Yes.
agree with that.
5 upon 0. Undefined still. 5 upon 1 is a whole number.
Oh, okay.
But if you're dividing 5 by nothing, then shouldn't it still be 5?
Now,
Because you're doing
if we
technically you're
divide,
doing nothing to it.
if we divide a same number with itself, we get 1. So 99,999 toffees divided between 99,999 kids. So each kid gets 1. So then again division by 0 is not defined. So we cannot divide a number by 0. 39 divided by 0 is undefined. Alright. So there they have written closure property is not applicable for division of whole numbers because we may get a whole number by division, we may not get a whole number by division. So commutative and associative property means adding 2 numbers or adding 3 numbers and changing the order does not result in the same number in division. Have we understood, guys?
Yes.
Any confusion?
Sir, who created 0?
Aryabhatta. Okay.
No.
Yeah, Aryabhatta.
So again, we have in
Yeah, barabar.
addition, we have commutative property applicable, associative property applicable, additive identity 0, closure property applicable, and that's it. One must never stop. That's it. That's it.
Can we have a break?
Yes,
What
sir.
is a break? What?
step. We have a break.
Break is to break things.
Sir, love screen share.
A break is a time when we drink water and use the washroom.
No. Break
And
is a time when we share screen.
The class, no?
What about drinking water?
Drinking, you can keep a glass with you, bottle with you. You can drink
के
water.
बाद कैसे using the water happy play
It's a period of time where we
Okay,
chill.
okay. I'm giving a 4 minutes.
Sir, we never went anywhere. We are always here.
Sir, can't stole my dialogue.
I didn't see your dialogue. You show my dialogue.
I didn't even see it.
That's your problem.
Then we don't even get a certificate for doing French. We should get a certificate at least.
Why?
so that you can show that you have learned and studied
So
French.
question
Hello,
numbers
I know,
1, 2,
I know,
3.
I know 5 languages.
Or
Or
in
6.
various Olympiads, we can get questions like which property states that the sum of any two whole numbers is always a whole number?
Yes, they can ask. See, these are property questions. Property questions can, listen to me, property questions can come in your CPSC or ICSC exam. It doesn't come in the IB boards exams like Rohan and the guy and Chip. This will not come in your exam. It can come in CBSE, ICSE exam or in Olympiads.
So it will come in Olympiad. I mean, math.
Sir, in my school, we don't have exams till we're in 6th. I don't have exams until like October. No, I mean like 6th grade.
Okay, guys. Okay, enough. Let's do 1, 2, 3.
Done. One or two of them will probably be wrong.
Yep, I know. What is your answer? I'm gonna get this.
Dia, who's the most modest child in your class?
You know, so don't ask this question.
I don't.
I'll tell you tomorrow.
So, Pari, first write the answers in your notebook quickly and then send it to ma'am.
Then my answer is not checked.
Same, sir.
Mr. Ba! Mr. Ba!
Sir, I get very confused in property code.
Why isn't my answer being checked?
I sent it again just in
Sir,
case.
even my answer.
Only
So,
Mr.
Mahuli,
Scotty got
why
answer back?
Mahuli? How come you have become the most silent kid of the class? Mahuli and Hacker.
The very boring children.
No, don't say them boring. Mahuli is very interesting.
Why isn't my answer being checked?
That's true.
Sir, I think she's not speaking because today her jaw was hurting a lot because of her braces.
Normally, also Mahuli.
That's just to get
Sorry.
attention. Shama,
Then you get
Mr. Bambi, don't
Ma'am,
fight with me.
not
Adya
when very
and Parisi, the time is up, guys.
Sir, I've already sent since a long time, but ma'am is not checked.
Okay, so see, first question, those who got it wrong, Chetty, Guy, Adya, Tia Mirza. So all 4 of you unmute.
not Dia Mirza.
144 can be represented as 12 by 12 square. Great, because it is a square number. You all must have studied square numbers. So which else is a square number? 81, because 9 times 9 is 81. Understood, Chatty,
Okay, sir.
Guy, Adya, Dia?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now, the property satisfied by the division of whole numbers. Closure property, no, because we already looked 8 divided by 3. Commutative property and associative property, no, because 8 divided by 3 is not equal to 3 divided by 8. So my answer is none of these. So Parisi, the and Mahuri and Mr. Ba. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then can this be a star question?
Now we have 225 and 122, but in brackets. We have 3 numbers, but in brackets. So whenever brackets are used, it means 3 or more numbers are used. It means this is associative.
Sir, I did a typing error in the one. I sent these correct.
Rohan, Mr. Ba, and
Sir?
Hacker
Almost everybody got this
Sir,
one.
I thought
and
of
Dira.
I thought of the answer. It's gonna be B. I wrote C, and then I sent C as well for some
So have
reason.
we understood, guys? But have we understood?
Yes,
Sia
sir.
understood?
So shouldn't it be distributive because it's multiple numbers with multiple?
Beta, in distributive, we break a number into two parts. Are they breaking any number?
No,
Then there are number of terms in distributive is 2 or 3 or more. There is only one term on both the sides.
no, sir. So
Beta, these all are one term only. This is whole is one term only, not two terms. Okay?
okay.
It's a bit confusing.
Sir, I did not understand that one. The last
Which one?
one.
Last one, beta, associative property क्या थी? When
When
I
three
think
or more numbers, when we add or multiply three or more whole numbers in any order, the result does not change.
yes, so फिर yes, better tell me तो three or more numbers are added or multiplied. Here, can you see three numbers?
Yes, sir.
So then
Okay.
I think we will do these questions after one or two classes. तब तक मैं revise करा दूंगा properties, okay? So for today, we will not do the property questions. I will make you revise these. So for today, we will start negative numbers. So only Adya has
Sir,
not
not
done
negative
numbers and
numbers.
Chip आपने भी किए हुए हैं थोड़े से. Guy, have you done negative numbers?
Yes, I did it a whole year ago. And I still
Okay.
remember
Sir, I
everything.
be doing negative numbers.
I think negative numbers are so nice. They're so easy.
I learned
Because
them
it's
as
in
the topic
curriculum, beta.
integers.
Negative numbers are in the curriculum and we have to do them.
Sir, I hate negative numbers. So they're really easy. Sir,
A
can we do
negative number
integers?
is e-
We are positive, we are not negative.
Sir,
Like
can
I
we
did
do
the negative
integers?
Beta,
sentence.
we are doing integers only, no?
Yeah, I love.
See, Adya, this is one of the most difficult concepts of grade 6. So, beta, you have to pay attention. Rest kids ने ये last year किया है. थोड़ा थोड़ा they all know except you. So you have to be beta at understand this very carefully. Adya, you can keep on unmute.
sir.
So CBSE में ये topic grade 6 में आता है. So see, if we talk about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and everything, these are all whole numbers. But if we go back, -1, -2, -3, these are all negative numbers. So you combine all of them, we get integers. You combine the negative one and the positive one and 0, you get integers. So if you notice, these integers are mirror images of each other. Yes or no, you understand mirror images?
Not
Yes,
exactly.
Like
sir.
you look yourself in the mirror and you get an image. Yes, what?
So may I have the permission to annotate?
Yes, you have the permission to annotate. Permission granted, Miss T.
Okay, sir. First of all, for example, the mirror images of each other. For example, if 3 is like this, then 3 will be like this on the other side.
To change the color of it.
Beta, what I mean is that we are not talking about the mirror images like that. We are talking about the distance from 0. So 1 is this much distance. So in the image, -1 would be at this much distance. फिर देखो 2. 2 इतने distance पे है. In the negative numbers, -2 will be the same distance from 0. So if we look at 3, We are at 3 units distance from 0, so minus 3 also will be 3 units distance from 0. Now you tell me, Miss T.
But then how is that called mirror images? Mirror images.
Hey, beta, it's
Yes,
like
it means the opposite. Like,
yes, it just means that they will be at the equal distance from 0 on opposite sides. Okay,
that doesn't mean it exactly.
you took the literal meaning.
Like
Yes.
if we call it a mirror image, but it's not because sometimes if a person has a pimple, it's on the left side and there's one on the right side. Is that counted
Okay.
as a mirror image?
Like the numbers are the same.
No,
So now you see, guys, now you see
Sir, I have a
that
doubt.
as we move towards the right side, the numbers increase, they become bigger. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. And 0 is greater than minus 1. Fair? 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, and 3 is greater than 2. So as we move towards the right direction, the numbers keep on increasing. That is why in life, we always have to move in the right direction, not in the wrong direction. Okay, UV Scooty?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
So this means that counting never starts and counting never ends.
yes. It starts, but it doesn't end. Like if you are talking minus infinity as the start, yes, then it never ends. But if you are taking 0 as the start, then we can start, but it will
We
never
have the
end.
middle.
Yes,
We have the middle.
0 is at the middle.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, infinity minus a
no,
huge
beta,
number
we
is also
cannot do
infinity, right?
infinity minus. We cannot do that.
Sir, infinity
So
minus a huge number is also infinity, right?
yes, right. So now, how many meters above sea level? So let's take an example.
if you
This
say,
is the sea level.
excuse me, sir,
Yes.
and if you take one infinite number as Arabs and one infinite number as
Beta,
Karo,
infinite number cannot be taken as a
Hmm.
okay, because you can count an Arab, but you cannot count an infinite number. So see, this is the sea level means जहां तक आपका sea का water का level आ रहा है. So everything above it will be taken as positive. ये जो distance है, this will be taking as 5 because like they have given it's 5. This is 10. So this is plus 5. This is plus 10. But whatever I have below, this can be minus 5 and this can be minus 10 or 15, whatever. I think it should be minus 15, not minus 10. So have we understood that above the sea level we take positive, below the sea level we take its negative. So
Sir,
do you guys remember I taught you the same concept in January
yes,
or forgotten?
sir,
Sir, I have
Yes.
a whole integer chapter in school. Right now.
infinity.
I remember.
Sir, infinity plus 1 minus infinity is equal to 1 or 0.
Infinity.
Plus 1 minus infinity is equal to 1
Beta,
or
we cannot subtract infinity minus infinity. We cannot do all those operations. Anyway, so next is which one number is greater? Let me use the whiteboard.
so please ask Ragini ma'am to say something or switch on her camera.
Everyone follows their own wish. Let's see. Now we have minus 5 and minus 3. So Adya, which one is greater? Can you tell me, Adya, which one is greater? Beta, unmute रखो Adya. Cannot hear you, Adya. Are you speaking something?
No, sir.
Yes. So which one is greater?
-5.
See, 5 is greater than 3 for sure. But in negative numbers, We saw it on the number line now, that minus this, see, it's 0 here. 0 के राइट में सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं, 1 2 3 4. 0 के लेफ्ट में पूरे नेगेटिव होते हैं, -1 -2 -3 and -4 and -5. So as we go towards the right, numbers become bigger. So जितना छोटा नेगेटिव नंबर होता है उतना बड़ा होता है. So -3 is bigger than -5. उल्टा हो जाता है. This means आपका लॉस कम है, आप कम नेगेटिव में हो. जितने कम नेगेटिव में होते हो उतने बड़े होते हो आप. Understood, Adya? So one more question to everyone. Everyone will give the answers in the chat for these. You have to use, I'm giving two questions. You have to give the sign greater than, less than, blah, blah, blah. -5, -7, everyone.
This is so
Quickly.
easy.
So three questions I am giving. You can just write which one is greater. क्या sign लगाना है कि greater लिखना है?
Sign.
Your sign.
Signs are so
So
fun.
for these three questions, use the smaller than, greater than, or equal to sign and send it to ma'am quickly.
So
Don't take
signs
the whole
are
system.
so fun, and it's really difficult for the person who's checking them.
Very good, very good. Very nice. So such a good logic.
Easier for the person to check because
Mhm.
once she has checked one, she'll just put the chat box on the side and check the others from it, or just write the answer
So
somewhere.
hacker, why you are always traveling, better? Always you are traveling only.
This is so easy. Why did you give it? Or to get the basics in our mind.
Mahuri and hacker, it is correct. Send to ma'am from next time. Please mark for Mahuri and hacker. Yes, Adya, you can tell me which one is greater, -5, -7.
Third chatty has also sent. Mine is not checked.
Adya, which one is greater, -5 or -7?
-5.
-5 is greater because it's less negative. Then -3 is greater or 0 is greater?
0.
Yes, because 0 is greater than all negative numbers. Then 0 is greater or -4 is greater?
0.
0 is greater than all negative numbers. Beta, you could have sent these three like this in the chat also, na? Why you are not sending in the chat, Adya?
Sir, I am sending it.
But why have you given normal numbers?
Natural.
All right, quickly, 1 minute question time starts. Everyone give the answer.
And sir,
Sir, I have a feeling one of them will be wrong.
No, beta, no, Parizi. You have practiced so much for your exams. I don't think so. It's going to be wrong.
so that was you by Scooty, not Parisi.
It was you.
Hmm.
So the timer went off.
So, Adya, what are the answers? What is greater, 7 or 5? Quickly.
Sir, I have sent.
You have sent. 7 is greater, 9 is greater. All positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. All positive numbers are greater than negative numbers.
0.
Very easy question, very easy question, very easy question, blah, 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 blah. So next, you have to arrange in ascending order. Quickly, 1 minute. First, you will of course write the smallest.
So do we have to put the signs also? This is the
Abhita, yes, put the signs also.
Sir, I'm not able to see the number. Can you scroll down?
This is
Sir, ascending.
Yes.
So do we have to put the symbol?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Sir, it takes a lot of time.
yes, sir.
It actually doesn't.
It
100.
does.
0.3 seconds.
This ought to be a hard question.
For those who are in iPad or mobile, it is easy for them. Sir, I'm on a computer.
Sir, I'm on a laptop. And it's not easy.
Sir, same.
It kind of says just keep pressing shift while you enter the number.
Yeah.
Right, I'm increasing the timer
Sir,
by
by
1
mistake,
minute.
sir, by mistake, send the wrong signs. Oh no.
Thanks.
Still, you got the picture. I have you and Mr. Gabby such weird pictures of old men.
Diya, stop taking screenshots. If you are taking, please mute.
So,
Oh, no.
in all of these,
Screenshot. That's what it says.
Adya, which is the smallest number in all of these?
-2.
The smallest number will be the most negative number, which is -4. After -4, which is the smallest number? Quickly, beta, quickly. After -4.
Sir, can I leave? I have to go somewhere.
Who has to go somewhere?
Hacker.
Okay, beta, hacker. Yes, others can do the B part.
In
Yes,
order.
Adya.
So descending or ascending?
Sir, it's already in
Yes, you do
order.
descending.
Sir, it's already in ascending order.
Copy.
Oh, it's descending, guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
you
it's
just
so
have to
simple.
do ulta. Descending is much easier.
Wait, let me change the question. I'm changing the question. By
Why
mistake, I
would
wrote
you
the
say?
answer only.
I had on
By mistake, I wrote the answer only.
We shouldn't have told sir that the answer is
Yeah,
already
why did we
written.
say it?
Yes,
bro?
sir.
It's all
Especially this goes for you guys. It's just like
Sir, descending or ascending?
descending.
Oh, this is crazy.
That is easy.
So descending.
You can not put the signs.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yay.
So Adya, after -4, which one is the greatest?
I'm doing it all wrong.
Cannot hear you, beta, but I can see your read your lips. It's -2, then it's 0, then 3, then 7, then 8. Do the next one. So there is a problem with your mic also.
Who's Mike?
Adya has a mic.
Can you please write this a bit separately? I'm 100% sure I'm messing up.
Mr. Blah and Siddharth, why have you put such weird pictures?
See?
Why do you care?
Because you are weird?
Dharam, are you getting to know that today?
Why do you like to put that background, Bambi?
I am putting it to get Hitansh to remove it. I'll probably put a worse one.
He'll probably not remove it now and get exasperated from inside.
Fine. I'll put another one. I'm sure his thorns will be exasperated. Then that one. Enjoying this one.
Sir, can I leave? Sir, I
Enjoy.
have to go somewhere.
Yes, Chad. No, not. Don't leave.
Bye,
So,
sir.
all
I
right,
got
Rohan, which is the greatest number?
The greatest number is 14.
14. Then after 14, which one is the greatest?
Minus 14.
Minus 14. After minus 14,
minus
16.
16.
minus 16. After minus 16, minus 26. Then
Minus
minus
35.
35. So the more negative, the smaller the number becomes. जितना ज़्यादा negative होगा, उतना the number will be smaller. All right, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.